We've discussed today about setting measurable targets or little action plans that we can gather enough evidence so that we can go back and sort of trace, the things that we've done and maybe justify bigger, projects or further projects to extend it. So, for example, I'm going to do set up Gradebook for my group, which is an online marking system where you can give feedback to students, and so I'm going to sort of give feedback on that. We'll set myself a little target and reflect and show how that develops. Also, we've covered I'm going to do a Google spreadsheet in Google Drive, so that all the tutors that have had access to the apps can rate and give some feedback to see how good they are and how they may sort of assist with learning. They can say, what sort of subjects maybe be able to support all type of students. So we should do that, and then hopefully collate all the data that then can be used, when they're reviewing the iPad project. Also, we looked at Creative Commons, which we didn't know that if you use images from Google Images, you could get done for copyright infringement. So we're going to try ourselves and encourage the students to use Flickr images, so that they use images that have been given permission to be used, rather than just use any image that we see online. So that'd be about re-educating ourselves and putting that practice through to the students. So Lillian showed us today that by using Google Images might not necessarily have the access, copyright access, to use them as we please with our assessments and stuff. So Lillian showed us how we can use a search engine called search.creativecommons.org, where we can access pictures that the publishers have given us permission to use, in the work that we do. So that could be done via Google Images, Flickr, or different types of way, but the best way would be to go through the creativecommons.org search engine.